Hello. Thank you so much for helping us. Look for links in the description of this video. Dear viewer, I kindly ask you to give your royal like. Your like is extremely needed to spread the Project Guru Markets. Now we will compare the current performance of the corporation Tesla Inc., ticker TSLA. This review was created based on current information at the time, May 6, 2024. According to Classification Guru.Markets, company Tesla Inc. belongs to the subcategory Electric. 59 companies participate in the comparison. This is very representative. Let's start with general information about the company. If you're interested, you can pause the video. We propose to consider each parameter of the organization under study more carefully. You can go to the database with the ticker structure using the link in the pinned comment. We kindly ask you to share the link to the security analysis with your friends. Thank you for your repost, as well as other help. It's all extremely helpful in my work. So let's begin. Market capitalization of the company Tesla Inc. is $577.85 billion. Market capitalization of the subcategory is $659 billion. Tesla Inc. accounts for a share of 87.717% and is the main leader of the subcategory. The company's balance sheet capitalization is estimated at $64.02 billion. And the balance sheet capitalization of the subcategory is $103 billion. Tesla Inc. accounts for a share of 62.363%. Having compared the shares of market and book value, we see the following. Occupied share Tesla Inc. in the subcategory when assessing market capitalization is 87.717%. The balance sheet capitalization is 62.363%, which is 29% less than the share of market value. Assessment of the company's share of market and balance sheet capitalization of the subcategory. Bad, -1 point. Final company assessment Tesla Inc. will be presented at the end of the video. Please watch the study to the end. The debt obligations of the company under study amount to $9.603 billion. Financial liabilities to balance sheet capitalization amount to 15% of capital. Result on the company's debt level, good, 1 point. The balance of the company's market value to its profit corresponds to 46.3. The average for the subcategory is 0, which is significantly better than for the subcategory. Evaluation of the market value to earnings ratio in comparison within the subcategory. Very good, 2 points. Profits for the last 12 months amounted to $13,652 million. Future earnings for the coming 12 months are tentatively expected to be $11,520 million. And this is 15.6% less than at the current moment. An assessment of the projected future profit indicator in comparison within the subcategory. Tolerable, 0 points. The company's value to revenue ratio is 6.1. The average for the subcategory is 4.8 and this is 27% higher than in the subcategory. Evaluation of the company's market price to revenue ratio in comparison with indicators in the subcategory. Tolerable, -0.5 points. Revenue for the last 12 months was $94,750 million. Projected revenue for the coming 12 months is expected to be $79,950 million. This is 16% less than currently. An assessment of the estimated future sales volumes in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory. Tolerable, 0 points. The margin is 14.4%, with the average for the subcategory -3.8%. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 18.2%. Assessment of sales margins in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory. Good, 0.5 points. The company's share by number of personnel in the subcategory is 53.244%, which is 65% less than the market capitalization share. This fact shows the imbalance of the company's current exchange price Tesla Inc., probably towards revaluation. The amount of capital per company employee is $4,114,000. And for the subcategory $2,497,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 64.8%. Estimation of the company's capital volume per employee in comparison with indicators in the subcategory. Tolerable, 0 points. The profit per individual employee is $97,200. Average for the subcategory, -$19,500. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is $117,000. Estimated profit per individual employee compared to subcategory performance. Good, 0.5 points. Revenue per employee of the organization is $674,000. In the subcategory $516,000. The difference between the subcategory average and the company's performance is 31%. Estimation of revenue per company employee in comparison with the indicators of subcategory companies. Good, 0.5 points. There are 3.8% of shares for sale, with a subcategory average of 9.6%. This is a short squeeze indicator. Technical indicator RSI, 14, shows a level of 57% for the company Tesla Inc. For the subcategory, this level is 47%. Potentially, securities of the subcategory are valued lower than those of Tesla Inc. Comparing the movement of the company's stock price Tesla Inc. and subcategory shares. We can see that over the last 12 months the company's shares Tesla Inc. showed a change of 12.8%. Against price changes in the subcategory -48.6%. This definitely doesn't mean anything, but we need to take this fact into account. The overall result is as follows, 3 out of 10 points. Average result for the subcategory, -2.4 points. If you look very broadly, within the stock market as a whole. Note that the average result for the entire US stock market as a whole is 0.3 points. Against a 3-point rating for the company Tesla Inc. Let's look at the order table, which is available. The link is in the pinned comment. The order table contains all decisions by the information and reference evaluation system Guru.Markets. Access to the order table is free and open. Link in pinned comment. As a result of the company analysis Tesla Inc. Reference rating system Guru.Markets, the decision was made. Do not open an order due to the fact that Tesla Inc. is an overvalued company in the subcategory. Thank you audience for watching this video and for using the information system from Guru.Markets. You really are the coolest audience on the planet.